In this video, we will show you how to edit the shape of any image with any bitmap fill type, whether it's cross-stitch, PhotoStitch, PaintStitch, or the newest addition, Sketch. Whenever an image is imported and converted into any bitmap fill type, cross-stitch, PhotoStitch, PaintStitch, or Sketch, by default it is automatically framed into a rectangular area. But what about having a different shape of frame, or if you need only a part of the image? The node editor can now be used to edit the shape of bitmap fill images into whatever you like. Let's see how it works. Suppose that you have this PaintStitch image. Move the nodes close to the dog so that you mainly keep a portion of the design with the dog. You may also edit the curves to make any special kind of frame. Or you may even add extra nodes and move them to outline the picture into the dog's shape. This functionality can be particularly useful for fitting the image in a specific shape or area. Overall, the node editor's ability to edit bitmap images with stitches provides exciting possibilities for visual creativity.